So good evening everyone, we are here to play peer debate and she's Aradhya and she's supporting city life and I'm Sakshi and I'm supporting village life. So yes Aradhya, you can start.
So I hope you like our video, and I am the fond of city life, and city life, I think city life is better than village life, because in the city life there are so many facilities of transport, of the hospital and of the education. In the education we find so many facilities in the school, in the area of the school. On the road we don't find any kind of jam, but we find somewhere, we find, but not we find everywhere. And we have also too much road in we also find the problem of pollution, but it's not matter a lot, because in the education we don't find any kind of problem, and in the hospital we also don't find any kind of problem, because hospital are also good, and we go anywhere, so we go in the hospital, so we get treatment very well from the doctors. So what about you?
So ma'am, you are saying that pollution doesn't matters a lot. So yes, pollution matters a lot because it matters global warming, it matters our temperature, it matters our season, it matters each and everything, and you are saying that pollution doesn't matters anything. So it is not like that, and by that pollution we are having so many problems, like that people are having problems to breathe, and it is not good for their lungs, and these are the diseases which they are getting from this pollution. And about education system, yes, that villages are also developed, and by that developing city, by that developing villages, so we can find so many schools, so many good teachers in it, and who can teach in a well manner. And you can see there are so many person who are also educated in village, and if you will go to your village, you can go to your village and you may ask so many people, they are educated, and then come to here and just tell that they are not educated. So after that, about that, yes, agriculture is most important for our life, and that without agriculture we can't find our food, which is our daily uses. And that you are saying that village life is not good, and if there will be no village, there will be no villagers. So how can we find farmers? And if there will be no farmers, so who can grow crops? So that is why it is very important that having farmers, and farmers are one of the villagers. So that is why village life is far better than city life.
I think somewhere it is developed, but we grow the crops in village, so we also grow the crops in city also, because in the garden there are so many people who like to grow the crops, who like to grow the plants, and it is also good thing. And you go in the park or anywhere, so you also find so many plants regarding this kind of thing. And of the education, yeah, somewhere it is developed, because but somewhere the city is also developing day by day. Somewhere village is going on down, because from my father and mother, they are also educated by the government school in the village, but they don't prefer most of the thing which we learn nowadays in city. So I don't think it is developed. It is developed, but nowadays we can see some development in that. And in the transport there are so many things regarding that we don't find any kind of problem. But in the transport we have metro, we have train, we have bullet train, and there are so many facilities regarding that. You go in the train, so you everywhere you say it is very good train. And what about you?
So ma'am, I think you didn't have studied science in a well manner, that in park and gardens we can't grow crops, that there we can grow plants and small grasses, but we can't grow crops. And for growing crops, there are so many conditions which is needed, and we can't find that kind of conditions in city. We can just find that kind of conditions in village, and that is why village is very important. And about that soil, about that fertile soil, that is very important for growing crops. And we are saying that we can do that crop, and we can grow crops in city. How can we grow crops? That there are so many conditions as I mentioned. And after that, about government school, yes, in except government school, there are so many private schools too in our villages, and there are so many developed things. And we can see that about water facilities, that water facilities are very good in village, that you can't find these kind of things in city, but we can find these kind of things in village. Yes, so your ma'am. So I think you will subscribe our channel and you will like our debate. Yes, so thank you.